Hello everyone. This is Haroguin Peterson. This is CSSC 100, Mr. Wellman. I'm on a toddler problem, chapter 3, number 12 homework toddler problem. So the 12 it says that write a program to draw a face of a clock that looks something like this, as you see right here. So we have to draw something like this, something that starts right here, has like a clock version of it, little dots and the turtles. So what I wrote right there is to start off with my code is importing in turtle. Then in my window turtle, and I wanted light green, so the window of the color light green, test turtle. So I define test as a turtle, and the shape of test, which is turtle. Test is color blue. Test is pen size is 3. We can make it bigger the pen if you want to. So to start with, so this is how we start. We start with test pen up. This is new because we wanted to match. We want to make sure that when we start, the turtle starts on right here on the middle of it, and we have to pick it up in order to move it from this side to this side. Then I stamped it, which is like stamping. You keep stamping until you get all the sides. The size is 120. So I have to write a loop, which is for I in a range 12, and then I define test. I tell test where to go, which is test forward, size already defined, and move test along. So we're gonna along test pen down, then we move test forward, size, and then we make sure that it divides by 8. Then in test pen up, we pick the pen up and then we move it, so if we pick up from here, we move it this way, we have to pick up the pen. Then in stamp, we're gonna stamp in backward. We're gonna do the backwards, and size plus size, which size defines the whole thing, and we divide by 4. And test right, we're gonna move him 30 degrees, and right here I have a note. So that's what it is. Let's run it and see if we got the code the right way. Okay, so yeah, as you see, we're gonna repeat it. So I repeated it, so that's why we put it in a for loop. So yeah, backward, back and forth, yeah, which is great. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.